Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make coleslaw. For this recipe, you're going to need 1 pound of cabbage or a quarter of a large cabbage. I'm going to cut this as thin as I can get it. I don't know about you, but I don't like big thick pieces of cabbage in my coleslaw. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements listed in the description box below for you. After I cut the cabbage into thin shreds, I like to take the knife and cut it down the middle just so the pieces are not so big. Put your cabbage in a big bowl and set that aside. Next, you're going to need 2 carrots, and I like to peel my carrots, and I'm just using my grater, and I'm using the back side with the big holes to grate it. I like to grate it in the same bowl with the cabbage, that way I don't have to dirty an extra thing. I mean, who likes to do dishes, right? If you haven't been following me on Instagram, you can do so at Cooking with Shirani. I'm always sharing stuff in my stories over there, so follow me if you don't want to miss it. Be sure to clean your grater off and get everything out. You don't want to leave anything behind. You're going to need a handful of cilantro or a quarter cup, and I'm just going to take the stems off, wash them, and cut it really fine. If you don't like cilantro, you can skip that, but I happen to really love cilantro. You're going to need 1 tablespoon of white sugar, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and the juice from a small lime. Toss that really well until everything is mixed together. I only learned about putting cilantro and lime juice in my coleslaw from one of my sweet besties, Sham. And ever since I've been doing that, I just love it so much and I haven't stopped, so thank you, Sham. The last thing I'm going to add is a half a cup of mayonnaise. Give that a good mix so everything could get coated with the mayo. If you like coleslaw, give this video a thumbs up. I personally love coleslaw. To me, there's nothing that tastes better than some fresh homemade coleslaw with some homemade barbecue. Daddy makes the best barbecue. I wish I could have some of him barbecue right now. And some nice homemade hot flour tortillas. That is heaven to me. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this one. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help out my channel. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you have not yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.